Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is Gagandeep Kaur. Welcome to video lecture of EVS class 5. Today I am going to start EVS chapter number 2, a snake charmer story. Dear kids, through this lecture I will focus more on explanation, but you have to read your chapter thoroughly. So let's start this chapter. As you can see, this is the first page of our chapter, A Snake Charmer Story. As its title suggests, this chapter is related to snakes. But can you tell me what is snake charmer? I know each one of you must have seen snakes somewhere. Maybe in zoo, in circus show, on television or in fields. But can you tell me what is a snake charmer? Okay, I will tell you. Snake charmer is a person who catches snakes. In this chapter, a snake charmer tells about his life, family, community, his difficulties, and his experiences as a snake charmer. But first of all, have a look of the mind map of this chapter. Kids, see, this is our mind map. In center, our chapter name is given. Under this chapter, we will talk about the life of snake charmers, then snake charming. Now, what is this snake charming? Snake charming is a process to hypnotize a snake by playing bean. Hypnotize means to control the movements of a snake. So, snake charming is a process to hypnotize a snake. Then we will discuss about snakes. Kids, do you know there are two types of snakes, dangerous and non-dangerous. Then we will have next topic, fangs. Fangs are long, sharp, hollow teeth of a snake. Then we will talk about communities of snake charmers. Then their livelihood, medicine. Dear kids, it is strange to know that medicine of a snake bite is also made from the venom of a snake. Venom means poison of a snake. Then we will discuss how do these snakes become the farmers' friends. After that, we will have first aid for snake bite. Then last but not the least, government law that has made for the animal safety. So kids, let's start. Now, what do you see on your screen? It's a snake. Kids, we often get scared when we see a snake or even when we talk about it. But do you know there are some families who keep snakes as their friends or even as their family members. Now meet Aryanath. He belongs to Kalbelia community and his family is known as Kalbelia. Mainly this tribe is found in different parts of Rajasthan as Ajmer, Chittorgarh, Udaipur and Pali district. Aryanath plays the bean. Kids, now see, this is a picture of a bean. Bean is a wind musical instrument which is played by snake charmers. Snake charmers catch poisonous snakes. Aryanath's grandfather often tells him stories of snakes because they are snake charmers or they are also called sparas. They carry snakes in bamboo basket. I think kids, you must know that bamboo is a type of grass, but it is a very strong grass. That's why bamboo is used to make different products like baskets, furniture, instruments, etc. So snake charmers carry snakes in bamboo basket and move from place to place. They used to conduct snake shows to earn their money. They also have sound knowledge of medicinal plants because they used to move different places, forest, and they make medicines by using these medicinal plants and herbs. They manage their livelihood by selling these medicine to the villagers and then they are getting money and food grains in return. Sometimes they were also called to treat people who have snake bites or to catch the snakes. Do you know, kids, all snakes are not poisonous. After catching snakes, snake charmers would remove their fangs and they close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. Dear kids, you have learnt about poaching in your first chapter, and I think everybody know about poaching now. So what is poaching? Poaching means a process to kill animals for skin, tusk, horns. Do you know? But these snake charmers, they had never killed the snakes and even they have never sold their skin. On the other hand, they used to gift a snake to their daughters at the time of their marriage. For them, snakes are farmer's friend as they eat all the rats in the field. Do you know otherwise rats would spoil the crops? Now see this picture. What do you think? What is this? Yes, it looks like a design and this design is called Nagumphan. As the name suggests, the Nagumphan is a kind of design in which snake or snakes are printed or decorated on clothes and other things. This type of design is also used in rangoli, embroidery and even as a wall decoration in Saurashtra, Gujarat and South India. Okay, now see this picture. What do you see? A girl is dancing. She is from Kalbelia community and she is performing Kalbelia dance. This is the folk dance of Kalbelia community. In this dance form, their movements are similar to the movements of a snake. That's why this dance form is known as Kalbelia dance. Now till this, we have learnt about snake charmers. Now kids, this is our page number 19 from our chapter. This page is for your homework. Now under right section, you will write the answers of these questions on your book only. So first question is, have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment of people? For example, in a circus, on the road or in a park? And answer would be yes, I have seen. Second question is, when and where did you see this show? And answer would be, I saw an animal show on the road when I was coming home from my school. Next question is, which animal did you see? And answer would be, I saw a monkey show. Next question is, how did people behave with the animals in the show? And answer would be, some people did not behave nicely with them. Next question is, was anyone teasing the animals and how? And answer would be, yes, some were teasing the animals by throwing some objects. The next question is, what kind of questions came to your mind after seeing that animal show? See kids, when you see any animal performing in any show, I think some question must raise in your mind, like how are these animals caught? How are these animals trained? Or is it fair to exploit animals in this way? Now look at this picture. What do you see? You can see a lion and this lion is in a cage. Now kids, you have to imagine yourself as an animal and you are put in a cage. Now think, how would you feel while sitting in a cage? And complete the following sentences. Like, I am afraid when someone shouts on me. I wish I live in the forest with my family. I am sad when I am hungry. If I had a chance, I would run away from this cage. I do not like at all when anyone teases me. So you will complete this page and write answers on your book only. Now kids, let's recap what we have learned so far. First of all, we have learned about snake charmers. Snake charmer is a person who catches snakes. Next, snake charming. It is a process to hypnotize a snake by playing a musical instrument bean. Fangs. Fangs are long, sharp and hollow teeth of a snake. Calbelias. Calbelia is a name of community of snake charmers. Next is Nagumphan. Nagumphan is a design used in rangoli, embroidery or even as a wall decoration. Then we have also learned that snakes are farmers' friends as they eat rats that spoil the crops of the farmers. Dear kids, till this we have discussed everything about snake charmers. You will note down all these points in your rough notebook and learn them. But remember, keep reading your chapter side by side. Then only you will understand all the topics which are discussed today. So this is all about for today's lecture. Now we will meet again in our next video lecture. Till that, bye. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.